Hello guys, my name is Kaushal Patil and today's date is 23rd of August 2K21. So in our today's topic we are going to see some string methods. So let us start with what is string. So basically string is a non-primitive data type. String is a non-primitive data type in which characters n number of characters are stored n number of characters are stored in a sequence. So basically string is a class or a object that are backed by that are backed internally that are backed by that are backed internally by a character array. So let us move on to methods used in string. So first one is uh, char at method. This method is used to get the uh, character at a specific index. By using this method we can get the character at specific index. The next method is length method. This method is used to get the length of the string string. Then the next method is concat method. This method is used to concat uh, or to add the two strings in a same in a uh, single string to get the single output. Then the next method is compare to method. There are two types in compare to method, that is compare to ignore case. This method is used to ignore the uh, case, that is uppercase or lowercase, so that it will give the output in boolean. The and the second compare to method, that is simply compare to method. This method is used to give the output in boolean whether the two strings are same or not. It will not ignore the case. Then the next method is uh, starts with method. This method gives the return type boolean to show that if the main given string is starting with the provided string we have give. Then similar but opposite, that is ends with method. It also gives the return type boolean, but it shows that the string is ending with the specific string we have provided. Then the next method is equals to method. This method used to show that the two strings are similar or not. Then the next method is the up to uppercase method. This method is used to make the string or to convert the string into the uppercase. Then the next method is to lowercase method. This method is used to make the given string to lowercase. Then the next method is split method. This method is used to split the array. Means if we give a string and in between there is a space, then we can make it we can use split method so that it can convert into array array. Then uh, the next method is trim method. This method is used to remove all the spaces at the starting at and at the end of the string. So so it, so it will remove the spaces. To remove the space, this method is used. So this is uh, there are so many methods used in string as we have seen. So this is all about methods used in string. Thank you.